Hello and welcome everybody to Crypto Space. Let's first of all look at crypto bubbles. So we can see a little bit of retracement on the market currently, and there are quite few coins that are dumping. However, that's only on a daily time frame, right? Despite that, we still got some Pepe. We got Pepe going up 14.7%. We've got LDO 8.3. We've got Optimism Network 32%. We've got Arbitrum 16.8 and Quant 5.9, right? So that's obviously only on the daily. If we are going to have a look at weekly, right, we've got pretty much most of the coins going upwards, right? And on a monthly, even much more of green in the ocean of crypto. Okay then, so let's have a look at Gala Games, right? Gala Games look sick to me. They have a lot of going on their website and lots of developments going in the background, as well as different deals. So I think that's really cool. I'm not really into gaming anymore. However, I might, come back to game, especially, Web3 gaming. So we've got that. If we are going to have a look at Google Trends, at the moment, we are not seeing any interest in terms of Gala Games, right? But obviously, if we are going to have a look over here, right, we had a huge spike during the previous bull market, right? But that's obviously a retail FOMOing in to the market when it was possibly too late, right? At the moment, right, that indicator is showing us that there is no interest, which is potentially good, right? Because this is the best time to accumulate and invest in such token, right, in order to get huge gains. So let's have a look at market cap, coin market cap, right? At the moment, we can see that Gala Games is their market cap is around $841 million, right? Which is pretty much 5 times less than their market cap in the top of the bull market, right? If we are going to look over here at CoinGecko, we can clearly see it was around $5 billion, right? So we've got pretty much 5x to go in terms of the market cap, and the question is, could we potentially do 2 or 3x in terms of market cap from where we are on from the previous market cap? Well, let's have a look at their Twitter, right? They've got 467,000 followers on Twitter, right? They're constantly adding something, and the community obviously is interacting with their tweets, right? Which is a positive sign. And now I've checked them on Twitter iScore as well. As you can see over here, they got excellent Twitter score, and they are pretty much growing ever since last year, right? Of course, the price didn't pick up on it yet, right? Well, on the longer time frame, but that's something that I'm going to show you very soon. As you can see over here, there is growth in terms of following, right, which is a always positive sign. If we are going to have a look at Etherscan, there are constantly transactions going on, so people are buying Gala Games, right? So that's another bullish sign, at least to me, right? And now let's have a look at TradingView. Okay, so that's how we are look like in very long time frame, right? Over here, that's a weekly time frame, right? We are pretty much still on the bottom, right? However, if I'm going to zoom it in, right, we can clearly see that there was a spike, right? So as you can see over here, right, we have hit that accumulation zone over here, right? That was a very good time to invest, right? And why? Because we did let me just take the measuring tool. We did over here, well, almost 2x pretty much. We've got 88% from that, right? So guys, if I'm going to go on 4-hourly time frame, right, let's have a look what's going on over here. So as we can see over here, right, on the 4-hourly time frame, we are in upward movement. Of course, we are seeing a bit of a sell-off and sideways price action, but obviously that's something, normal, something healthy on the market, right? Now let's put it that way over here. Where is this? Okay, in the area, right? As we can see over here, it's constantly going sideways, right? However, if we are going to look at weekly, right, as you can see over here, guys, we are pretty much going up, right? So is it a good time to buy Gala? Well, definitely not the best. The best time was over here in the accumulation zone, but I have invested myself around $130 into that coin. Now let's have a look in terms of a longer time frame, how much of gains we could potentially expect. So let's go back to, no, not bars, to candles. And if we are going to estimate that Gala is going to do 3x in terms of total market cap, that's going to be around 10-15 billion USD, which is going to put price at, let's say, around $2.20. Okay, so let me zoom it out. Okay, and let's take the measuring tool from where we are at now, and as you can see, guys, we've got around 27x, right? So obviously that's a bit of a bullish statement over here, saying that Gala is going to do 20x, right? But I would definitely cash out at 10x. I would be definitely happy with 10x with Gala Games, right? Tell me, what do you think, guys, down below in the comments. Let me know if you think this is bullish, bearish. I would like to hear your opinions. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one.